To ask you sana dahil
Ah.
the issue of the day, Secretary Gadon, is yung issue ng arrest
Oo.
ni former President Duterte,
Yes.
no? So what is your take on this? Ang dami kasi nagsasabi ng mga, alam mo na, tinatawag mo ang kanya-kanyang ano na, keso hindi raw tama yun, hindi
Oo.
mali daw yung ganyan.
Oo. Well, actually ganito yan. Yung ICC or International Criminal Court, it was founded in Europe by a lot of countries. A lot of member countries signed as member of the ICC. And then, ang talagang primary role niyan or mandate ng ICC is to investigate and prosecute any crime committed against humanity, no? And they can only take over or they can only exercise jurisdiction if the country where the crime happened has no effective judiciary system. Yung case ni former President Duterte, yan ay na-file noong 2017 because they wanted to investigate the killings done since 2011, at the time that he was the mayor of Davao City.
Right.
And from that time on, 2011 up to 2016, ay walang nangyari na investigation, laging nahaharang, walang nangyaring mga pagpa-file ng case. So therefore, nagkaroon ngayon ng naging totoo ngayon yung mandate ng ICC na hindi kayo nag-imbestiga, pinapabayaan nyo na magpatayan ng mga tao dyan. So therefore, we can take over according to the statutes of Statutes of Rome, yung ICC. So therefore, they established the jurisdiction. Ngayon, dito naman sa atin, we have a Republic Act, no? I forgot the number. I think it's 1154 or something. Ang nangyari dyan, meron tayo ang provision in that Republic Act. A Republic Act is one which is passed by the Congress and signed by the President, approved as a law, no? Passed as a law. Doon sa batas na yan, sinasabi na the Philippines can waive any investigation or prosecution of a case which is already under or which is already recognized and being handled by the ICC or any international organization. So naunang nag-acquire ang ICC ng doon sa case, no? And ang nangyari, since naka-acquire na ng jurisdiction ang ICC doon sa case, hindi na tayo pwedeng gumalaw. Otherwise, we will be ostracized by the international community.
That's right.
So ngayon, while we withdrawn our membership in the ICC in 2019, take note, 2019.
Yung case has been filed already.
There is a ruling of the Supreme Court, of the Duterte Supreme Court. I am saying this is
So this is under the Duterte administration
and
ruling na to.
Not only that, the 15 justices, 13 of them were appointed by Duterte.
Okay.
So they ruled against Duterte. Ang ruling ng Supreme Court diyan sa case ng Pangilinan versus I forgot the title, pero you can search it. Ang ruling doon ng Supreme Court is even if the Philippines has withdrawn its membership in the ICC, we are still under the jurisdiction of ICC for the cases investigated prior to the withdrawal. So ngayon, yun ang hindi natin malusutan. Yes, no less than the Supreme Court itself ruled on that matter. And then, ang nangyari, dahil itong ICC is a court of law, wala naman silang police agency, wala silang police implementors. They will they rely on the Interpol to execute arrests if there are persons to be arrested, if there are subjects to be arrested. So ngayon, yung Interpol, yung ICC, nagpadala ng warrant of arrest sa Interpol for them to execute it. At yung Interpol naman, meron naman tayong local Interpol din na office, they were the ones who implemented in coordination with our Philippine National Police. Ngayon, ganito ang istorya. Dapat ba nating igalang yung warrant of arrest na pinadala ng Interpol?
Okay.
Yes. Because we are a member of the international community. We are a member of the Interpol. Ang ibig ba sabihin, nung naaresto si Gary Tebes
Okay.
at si Alice Guo, inaresto sila ng Interpol.
Oh, sa ibang bansa
Sa
sila.
ibang bansa.
Oo.
Oo. Ngayon, kung yung Interpol naman magsasabi sa atin, pwede ba arestuhin nyo ito? Ganyan. Sasabihin natin, hindi pwede.
Oo.
Hindi pwede yun.
Oo.
So, we have to be reciprocal to the mandate also of the Interpol. Dahil na pagka ganun, ay wala nang maniniwala sa atin in the international community.
So it's all sinasabi mo, itong pag-ano natin sa pagbigay natin is not
it's not a surrender of our sovereignty.
Oo.
Because
We're just
we
merely
entered.
following orders.
Yes.
Oo.
And not only that, we entered into a treaty with a lot
And
of
this treaty is
countries.
still very active.
Yes,
active
it's still
pa rin to.
active. Ang sabi nga ng Supreme Court, we are still under the jurisdiction of the ICC for cases which happened prior to the 2019 withdrawal. Ang iniimbestigahan dyan, yung records ng investigation is from killings from 2011 up to 2016.
Oh, hindi
So,
pa
hindi
yun, prior pa yan to the ano.
Prior pa.
So ano pa, mayor pa lang si Duterte
Mayor
noon.
pa lang si Duterte.
Oh,
So,
okay.
talagang wala siyang lusot.
Oh, okay.
Wala siyang lusot.
Meron naman nagsasabi, ito man daw na ano, minus the legalities of it all. Eh bakit may mga nababasa ako na bakit mo nga naman daw tutulungan ng somebody na araw-araw tinitira ka.
Oo, yun pa.
Araw-araw ano, no?
Well,
I mean,
actually,
di ba? What can you say to that?
Well, actually, Rodrigo Duterte could have been saved from being arrested by the ICC kung naging mabuti lang siya kay BBM. Kasi ang pwede naman gawin ng administrasyon noon, this was my suggestion kasuhan natin ng ibang kaso, ng murder din, na premeditated murder, etc., etc., yung wala ring bail.
For him to be tried here in
Yes,
the
for him to be
Philippines.
tried here. So that when we acquire jurisdiction over his person, then he cannot be brought out.
Yes,
Kasi sasabihin natin, meron siya
tama
pananagutan
naman, there's
dito
an existing ano.
And then, ikulong natin sa veterans doon sa presidential suite. Kung umaga, mag-golf siya doon. Mag-swimming siya doon. O pasyal-pasyal siya doon. O kaya, magpaalam siya, magpapa-check up, dadalhin sa St. Luke's, tapos mamasyal sa mall. Or kaya, pwede naman na ma-house arrest siya sa Davao, doon sa kanyang farm. Or pwede niyang hiramin yung farm ni Erap. No, napakaganda doon sa
Or
Tanay.
yung wheelchair daw. Kasi mayroong presidential wheelchair na.
Oo, yun.
Sa'yo din
I mean,
yata galing yung joke na